How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, talking today about how to use Prevent. Let's get into this one. So Prevent is an all-natural hangover cure. So basically what it is it's a combination of certain vitamins, minerals, and herbs that are going to help mitigate and prevent a lot of the damage that's going to be done during a night out of drinking or some kind of get-together that you might have. This is going to mitigate the damage that can be done, especially to your liver, because your liver has a lot of chemical reactions that are actually going on during this time to help metabolize the alcohol. And so by utilizing this supplement and replacing a lot of the vitamins and minerals that allow for those chemical reactions to occur, then we're going to allow for more liver longevity as well as more quality liver health. And so it's going to help us stick to staying young for a little bit longer, because the liver is one of the organs that is most associated with biologically being young. So as we age, our liver begins to slow down a little bit, and then in a lot of cases we can see older people tend to develop a little bit of fatty liver, or their liver just tends to slow down in general. So making sure that we can take care of it anytime that we can when we know we're going to put a little extra stress on it is always ideal. So Prevent is going to be very, very good for that one. But yeah, so that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, if you learned something, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'll be coming out with tons of more content on how to take certain supplements, what certain ingredients are, what some of the science says about some of those ingredients, and some other interesting things like that. So stay tuned, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a good one.